Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make poached eggs in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl or mug that can hold around 1 cup of liquid. Carefully crack 1 large egg into it, making sure the yolk stays perfectly intact. Then, add about 1/2 cup of cold water, ensuring the egg is completely covered. A tiny splash of white vinegar can also help the egg white set beautifully. Now place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high power for 60 seconds or 1 minute. After this initial minute, carefully check your egg. The white should appear set, but the yolk should still be wonderfully runny. If it needs a little more time, microwave for an additional 10 to 20 seconds. Be careful not to overcook, or your yolk will become firm. Safety first. Always ensure you are using a microwave-safe container to avoid any problems. When checking for doneness, the egg white should be completely firm, while the yolk remains delightfully soft and liquid. Remember to use oven mitts or a towel when removing the hot bowl from the microwave. A perfectly poached egg offers that wonderful contrast of set whites and a flowing yolk. Once your egg is perfectly cooked, gently lift it out of the water using a slotted spoon. Make sure to drain any excess water before carefully placing it onto your chosen dish. These delicious microwave poached eggs are best served immediately. Try them on a piece of warm toast with creamy avocado or atop a fresh green salad. Finish with a sprinkle of salt, black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.